Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will take a closer look at the Lungo Star 28 pounds portable washing machine and the Fadsk portable washing machine. We'll discuss their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The Lungo Star 28 pounds portable washing machine boasts a larger capacity with an 18 pounds washer and a 10 pounds spinner, making it suitable for larger laundry loads. In contrast, the Fadsk portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 Ls, which is ideal for smaller loads. This difference in capacity can significantly affect your laundry routine, especially if you have a larger household or frequently wash bulky items. When it comes to pricing, the Lungo Star 28 pounds portable washing machine is priced at $179, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. On the other hand, the Fadsk portable washing machine is much more affordable at just $69. This makes it a great option for budget-conscious consumers or those who need a portable solution for occasional use. The Lungo Star offers a built-in drain pump and multiple wash/spin settings, providing versatility for different laundry needs. In contrast, the Fadsk is designed to be lightweight and foldable, making it easy to store and transport. While the Lungo Star may provide more functionality, the Fadsk excels in portability, making it a great choice for travelers or those with limited space. In conclusion, both the Lungo Star 28 pounds portable washing machine and the Fadsk portable washing machine have their unique advantages. If you need a larger capacity and more features, the Lungo Star is the way to go. However, if affordability and portability are your top priorities, the Fadsk is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.